Hello and welcome back to another video. So here I'm showing you guys Elementary OS 6.0. Excuse me. Been using this since about Thursday at the time of recording this, so November 2nd. So far I wanted to get I have tried Hera when that was out on an older computer a few years back, 2017, just because the OS borked on that one originally. So this was my first thing because I was like, oh, I have a MacBook, but I ain't using this MacBook for jack squat other than for school. Let me use this shitty laptop for home stuff that I don't need the MacBook for at times, and other than my gaming PC. So pretty much I took the shitty laptop to places where it's like, oh, I don't mind if it gets stolen. It's gone. Goodbye. Okay, there's nothing important on there. Toodaloo. And compared to the MacBook, where that was a GIF. So let me tell you overall thoughts, what I got set up here, and what we're doing. So let's first start off with some of the apps I got on here. Of course, Steam, Discord, Lutris. I have those on there. The TV, I haven't tried it yet, but this video will be edited in there, so keep an eye out on that. Might edit something in there, I might not. I don't know. I haven't used the calendar apps. I haven't gotten into that idea yet of using all like task calendar, because I mean for work and stuff I have to use iOS, and like I don't know, unless someone can tell me how to use that to kind of sync these up a little bit better, then great. And the initial music player, I despised it. Originally I was in TeamSpeak with friends and it wasn't working, so it was like, I can't hear jack squat. And then I exited out TeamSpeak, like, I got these headphones. So Melody has been my go-to since Thursday, and of course Brave, the one and only, the main thing that I use. So yeah, and then of course for right now we got GIMP, of course, LibreOffice. I haven't used RSS yet. Been interested in it, so eventually I'll get there. MPV for watching videos. Minecraft, because I haven't really been playing games other than Minecraft. Of course, what's being recorded on OBS, and I dislike Elementary OS's web browser. I never gotten used to it. It's I mean, it's there, but I'm gonna install Brave though. I'm not gonna lie, since I like Brave. So anyway, some simple things here. I mean, this is just my overall thoughts. So I mean, if it sounds like a rant, it definitely is. I mean, I like the App Store. It's not bad. I can't complain about it. It's a little bit better since they have flat packs on there. Personally speaking, it's just easier to do. Personally, to me. The other thing is that I do have installed here. If I open up the terminal, we list it. So this is what's being recorded right now, so just ignore that. But if I put in, I learned this on a video because I was like, oh, I saw it before, and then, so I'll try to find a GitHub and stuff in there for this, but so you can watch anime in the terminal, which I find to be cool as fuck. So what I've been doing is I've been watching Mob Psycho 100 because I never watched it before until then. So yeah, I mean, as you can see here, and search up anime, put a number, put in the episode. I'll just input it there just so we can get that for you guys. Do something like that. And there we go. We got ourselves freaking anime right there from the fucking terminal. So far, the most coolest thing that I've done. That's the cool thing. So we'll just quit out of that. So yeah, we'll just quit out of that there. But that's cool as fuck, not gonna lie. Now, Steam. I mean, I have it installed and everything, but I haven't been using it really. I mean, there's a main reason why I haven't been using it. And I don't know if, I mean, it's updating right now. But, actually, I can show you guys right now. So, the problem that I've been having with Steam, I mean, I got Dota 2 here, but main problem is I'm like, okay, you know, I know Linux doesn't use everything. I know they have Proton. Let me install some stuff to definitely know that I know is going to work. So if I try to load up Steam, and you know, Operation Riptide is a thing right now. So if I open it up, right, we're going to get that Operation Riptide thing, right? And I don't know if that is, if anyone knows of the issue that I'm having, or it might not show up. I don't know. Let's see. Fingers crossed, because last time it showed the Operation Riptide garbage, and I'm like, come on, why? What you gotta do this to me? Yeah, now it's not doing it. So now it's doing it. So, because if I look at, I mean, I don't know if you can see it or not, to be honest. But you can see it's not really full screen, and there's stuff down there, so I can't get into it. So I'm awfully annoyed at that. I mean, Dota 2 I have tried. It works. It works. I mean, I don't play Dota 2 that much. I mean, most of the 50.5 hours I have is mostly bullshitting on custom games. And just accidentally leaving it on one night or two. So yeah, there's that. I guess some other concerns that I mean, this is a pretty easy Mac OS looking distro, so I have no complaints about it. It works. My main complaint was, as you can probably see here, I have this 2 terabyte volume. That's my hard drive. And then I have this one, it's just called Entertainment. That's another SSD, because this is on a, so this is a 480 Entertainment, and this is a 512, right? So, I don't know. I mean, I was looking at it, unless I'm wrong here, and just fix me if I am wrong, guys. Because, I mean, I'm learning. I'm learning, you know. Haven't gotten really deep into nitty gritty Linux. But, or with Elementary OS in particular. But with these, it kind of, I guess I should have partitioned it first beforehand, because I mean, I was like, oh, you know, I can partition it later like everything else. And then I was like, oh no, I'm kind of stuck with like 512. That's not good. That's not good. So yeah, I'm not a happy camper about that. Not a happy camper about that. But yeah, I mean, pretty much I have Brave set up just like how I have it before. We got some Healthy Gamer there. We got some, you know, Luke Smith. I don't know. I mean, hopefully I can get something in the works here, you know, eventually. Here, there's the other YouTube that this won't be on. But yeah. So, I mean, here goes that. I mean, the reason why I have LibreOffice is because of where I live at. I mean, as like a good office suite is pretty good, but I mean, mainly, I mean, I'm not the only one that uses it, thank God, but I do have a guy who's a boomer. He uses LibreOffice. I'm like, I saw that file. I was like, oh fuck, what the fuck? So I'm like, does this man run? What does this? I mean, I'm like, okay, I wasn't expecting that, you know. From old man, I'm like, okay, you know, I was expecting something like, you know, Microsoft or something. But yeah, sorry about the rambling. Overall thoughts for being at this point 5 days of using Elementary OS. This top part, I like it, but I also despise how, for some reason, CSGO doesn't open up all the way, like in full screen, but Dota 2 will. And I mean, okay. I mean, that annoys me. Sometimes Alt-Tab doesn't like to work, which, I mean, I can't show it right now, but sometimes Alt Tab it gets stuck, which is not fun. Not fun at all. Sometimes, like, especially when I'm playing Minecraft, it gets stuck, and I'm like, this is not a spot. This is not a good spot to be like stuck in Alt Tab. There is that issue that I have, and I don't know why. Is it if it's just a flat pack of TeamSpeak or not? I don't know. But I mean, it's been working now, but like on some boot ups, it doesn't work. Like sometimes I have to reboot it, or sometimes I have to reinstall it. From what I notice, I don't know, but overall though, so far, I mean, I have no complaints from it. It works just fine. To be honest, I'm probably not even gonna edit this video, so I mean, if I do, I will probably put something on there, but yeah, guys. Anyway, if you liked the video and want to see me do some more shenanigans in my progress through just learning and just finally having some open source software, like and subscribe. That'll definitely help me out. Definitely help me out with the algorithm there. Get this video noticed and just things that I'm doing. So yeah, thank you and have a great day.